If you didn't know, some of your favorite music artists are into black magic witchcraft. In fact, Beyonce's makeup artist quit. Supposedly, she was saying Beyonce is addicted to black magic. We're about to find out. Let's go.
You ain't talk about the producers. You didn't talk about the writers. You didn't talk about the team that helped you get there. Your whole speech was about how great Beyonce is.
Uh-oh. All right, cool. Let's skip it. We don't. I muted the music. We don't want no copyright strikes or none of that garbage due to, you know, whatever this music is. But it's about to get real deep. Okay.
Jaguar Wright, for validation purposes. Mary J. Blige. What rooms, what places have y'all been?
The last time I was willingly allowing myself, because anytime that sow's around, I leave. If I want to be around a pig, I go to a farm.
Oh.
The last time I allowed myself to even engage with her was when she asked me to sing when Vibe magazine was honoring her for her 10th anniversary of being on Vibe and 10 years being the queen of hip hop, soul, and all of that. Me and Music Soul Child sang and somebody else don't remember. And if I've offended you, I really don't give a f. You should have been more memorable. Music did a good job. I did a good job. And her and LaTanya sitting there in the front, you know, and they all happy when Music is singing. But when I got up there, those sat there and stared me down like they was about to try to ask me to fight. Now you asked me to come here to honor you by making your song sound better than you ever could.
Oh.
And you want to stare down on me? Her and Tanya. The whole time I sang. Now, of course, this happened after Unplugged. I thought her inviting me to come to honor her was like maybe an olive branch in some way. But you staring down on me like you ready to fight. Fuck, I'm here for it, and I could have been home.
Pardon the swearing.
I was playing Tomb Raider back then. Like, I could have been Lara Croft in there smoking a joint, kicking it, making dinner for my kids, and I'm come up here so you and your sister can grit on me up close. Then Beyonce comes.
Oh, she was gonna be next. Go ahead.
And they walked her in. And then I watched Mary J. fawn over her. She stopped talking. Like this was an event to honor her. And all she could do was sing Beyonce's praises. And how, even though she was a younger artist than her, how she looked up to her and saw her as a role model for all the girls in the business. And how honored she was that Beyonce honored her with her presence to come while she was being honored by Vibe magazine, who she had appeared in more times at that moment than
idol worship, by the way. Carry on.
Beyonce. How crazy does that sound?
Maybe it was a dancing though. She might have been, Beyonce.
You're being, imagine. I want you to think about what I just said. This is sitting here getting an honor for being the most, written about black woman in Vibe magazine for 10 years, and all you can talk about is the bitch that's coming behind you? You ain't talk about the producers. You didn't talk about the writers. You didn't talk about the team that helped you get there. Your whole fucking speech was about how great Beyonce is. That's when I knew she was picked. But when I think of that speech that day at that Vibe magazine event, and then I think of Lizzo and her acceptance speech when she won Album of the Year and beat Beyonce, the one award she can't win, maybe because you don't put good albums together, just nice videos and singles. But all that being said, didn't Lizzo do the same thing in the middle of her speech? She stopped her acceptance speech to say how she felt bad for winning Album of the Year because Beyonce didn't get it.
Deja vu.
Listen to me. We're talking Mary J. Blige, who came before Beyonce, singing her praises while she's being honored, forgets herself. Talk about this bitch.
Sorry for the language.
20 years later, Lizzo.
Thanks, first of all, thank you to the subscriber for recommending this. I didn't know there's going to be this much swearing in it, but she's someone who's in the industry, and I believe the title of this video was actually Beyonce chosen by the Illuminati or something like that. Jaguar Wright says Beyonce is the Illuminati's chosen one and goes in on the... Okay, cool. So, yeah, I mean, let's finish it off and then we're going to see.
Winning the one Beyonce award she can't get. And she stops in the middle of that to say, I feel bad that I won your award.
Oof. That is
Tell
some
me
demon
there's
possessed
not
stuff.
something off with that.
She's not wrong.
Imagine Tom Brady at a Super Bowl holding the trophy in Tampa and thanking Belichick and never mentioning anything. That would look crazy, wouldn't it? He might not get his contract renewed. Something's off here.
I get it. Something is off.
These people are being trained to worship this person.
Idol worship, like I said.
To honor her above themselves. Why? What's so special about her?
Aura?
What aura? Tuesday? This is aura. This is her aura. On a jumbotron at a basketball game in real time. Her sister trying everything within her, from all of the ancestors, from every plantation they got, violated on, whooping her husband ass, and she rocking back and forth. I showed you the video where the bitch fell down and she popped right up like the reanimated man and started swinging her hair.
All right, I'm going to pause the video there because I think yeah, I'm just going to pause it there. Too much swearing and so forth. But that interview goes on and she goes on to expose a ton of stuff. In fact, we might even check it out because it was requested as well. Some Cat Williams video in regards to exposing the music industry. But ladies and gentlemen, be careful who you're listening to, what you're downloading into your mind. A lot of these artists, especially these American ones, Nigerian ones as well, they've sold their soul to the devil. Yes, written their name in blood, signed it. If you know anything about what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section down below. Because to some percentage of people in this world, they think this is all. They think I'm talking about the Disney movie, the Cinderella's, Snow White, some magic. Ooh, magic is real, is it? Oh, it's fake, huh? Like, they don't know that this world is literally infested with demonic black magic, voodoo. It's the world we're living in. So the project and the plan is to wake people up, curate, guard the gates of your mind in regards to what you're downloading in. This not only goes for you guys, but for myself included as well, because the world is wicked. Stay prayed up. Send a request on which video you want me to check out next in the comment section down below as well as if you're serious about entrepreneurship and you're a person of faith, then link is in the description. God bless you.